Hello, I am recording the video and today's topic is web application versus website. Choosing between a web application and website, you may wonder that the exact difference is. At one point, it may seem that there's no difference at all. The definitions are controversial and sometimes they overlap. Both website and web application run in browser. Both require access to the internet. Both have a front end and the back end written in the same programming language. What is more, they both possess such attributes as interactivity, integration, and authentication. Still, we believe that the web application versus website difference not only exists but also is vital to understand clearly when you are looking for an online solution for your business. Web application development differs significantly from the development of a website. So let's do the and find out what distinguishes this kind of web software and which option is better for you. Grasp the difference. There are several points that draw a line between a website and web application. Point 1, interactivity. The first point to start, web application versus website differentiation, which is interactivity. A website provides a visual and text content that the user can see and read but not affect in any way. In the case of web application, the user can not only read the page content but also manipulate the data on this page. The interaction takes the form of dialogue. The user clicks a button or submit a form and gets a response from the page. This response may take a form of a document, download, online chat, electronic payment, and more. An illustrative example of a web application interactivity is an online banking application that performs transactions based on a customer's input. Similar functionality can be found in an online store that allows visitors to search through the catalog and buy items instantly. Social networks are another impressive example. They connect users via chat and blog platform, generate a feed content based on the user's preferences and allow for almost unlimited content sharing, not to speak of their built-in mini application for user entertainment. The problem is that today one can rarely encounter a website without a hint of interactivity. Modern websites usually contain small web application elements. For example, a restaurant's website may contain a Google Maps widget showing a route to this restaurant. However, in the case of website, the balance between the informational content and interactivity is shifted towards the former. A typical website contains far fewer interactive elements than informational content, and the user usually spends most of the time on a website reading, viewing, or listening. The situation is the opposite with web application as their core functionality is based on interaction. Point second, integration. Integration means bringing together different components to build a more comprehensive system. Both website and web application can be integrated with other software, CRM, ERP, etc. Still, integration is more typical for a web application because their complex functionality often require interaction with extra systems. Take integration of a business web application, say an e-shop, with a CRM, customer relationship management system. A CRM stores all customer data in one place, providing easy access to them and for the employee. The integration will allow automatic collection of a web application user data and storing it in the CRM. This way, your team will get access to a full set of data about customers, their inquiries, communication, and feedback. This enables exploring customer behavior and buying habits, as well as settle their claims faster. Moreover, any change in customer data will be reflected in the CRM instantly. Always staying up to date with your customer preferences, you will reduce churn rates and increase sales. A website also can be integrated with a CRM. This allows providing users with more personalized content. However, for a website, it's rather a rarely implemented feature than a part of the core functionality. Point 3. Authentication. Authentication is the procedure that involves entering a user's login and password to get access to the system. It is a must for the web software that requires any personal information. User account must be secured to prevent authorized access and leakage of sensitive data. Web applications mostly require authentication as they offer a much broader scope of options than a website. Consider an example of social network. When you register, you create an account and get a unique identification number. The system wants you if you login and password are weak. In fact, according to IT rate, 80% of cyber attacks are due to weak or stolen password. If you leave them unchanged, hackers may reach your account and steal your information, as well as irritate other users with a junk email under your name. Authentication is not obligatory for informational website. The user may be offered to register to get access to additional options unavailable to unregistered website visitors. For example, you may look through news and featured articles on a news website without bothering to register. However, if you want to leave a comment, you will have to go log in. This way, user confirm their identity, allowing the system to block spammers. As you can see, both website and web application may require authentication. However, for web application, it is obligatory due to the security reason. Web portals. A portal is an environment for integrating diverse application and various content. It enables to configure content and offer personalized user experience, which means that the user gets only the content tailored to what he or she needs. Consider bank web portal is as an example. It may provide link to account information, bill payments and deposits. Each of them is a web application, but they are accessed from the central hub, the web portal. Thank you.